Raiden is going to teach us and his brothers how to make shortbread cookies. What do we need to do to make shortbread cookies?
We need 1.5 cups of sugar or 10.5 ounces.
So 1.5 cups is about 10.5 ounces? Okay.
Yeah.
And what are we putting the sugar into?
The bowl.
Okay.
So, and then after you put the sugar, you want 1.2 ounce or 18 ounces of unsalted butter that is very soft.
Okay. So let's start with putting the sugar into the bowl.
Yeah.
Go on. All right, sugar's in the bowl. You sure it's sugar and not salt?
Yeah. It's definitely sugar.
Okay. What do we got to get next? Butter? Let's put the butter in. That's a lot of butter. Whoa. That's like a ka-thunk amount of butter. Okay. We got all the butter in. Now we need to put in salt.
Yeah.
So can you measure out the salt? Rain, so I can see you doing it. Just do it right on the cutting board. So that's a half quarter of salt in there. Ooh. And now we have 3/4 of salt. And now we need vanilla. How many teaspoons of vanilla do you need?
3.
Okay. Okay. We got everything in the bowl. How are we going to mix it?
With that thingy. A mixer.
There you go.
It's on.
Okay.
I have a butter stuck to it instantly.
All right, so we mix it all till it was
Smells like corn.
Smooth and mixed. Now what do we need to do? Put in the cornstarch.
This is cornstarch, right?
Yep. Okay.
And then the flour.
Okay.
I want to
Yeah.
use this.
Okay, go on, Eamon. Get in there.
Oh, it feels so smooth, even though I'm not touching it. No, it doesn't. It feels so smooth for me, even though I'm not touching it.
Where do we put the dirty bowl?
I'll go with the dirty spoons and the uncomfortable.
We give it to the dog?
Yeah, yes.
Don't give it to the dog.
Start.
How long do I mix it for?
Clump together into a dough. Just like a dough.
How's that look? Does that look like it's clumping together into a dough form shape?
Yeah. It has
Okay.
Play-Doh.
So, now, no, you're not going to touch it. You're going to take the bowl off.
It's heavy.
Yeah. You can bring it over.
Move your hands. I'll try to escape this off.
These two bowls.
Both of them?
Yep.
So we need a log. And so we pour half on there and half on there.
Okay. Which one are we rolling into a log?
I'll put it more together. Yeah. Yeah, like the stuff from Subway.
Yeah. Except much tastier. Right?
Yeah. Yes.
And then we just kind of roll it around so that we get that nice log. And then I like to twist, 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 twist.
Oh my god! Guys, it's a giant. Guys, it's a giant rocket wrapper.
Rocket wrapper. All right, so what do we do with it when we roll it up? We got to take it and put it where?
In the fridge.
How long has it got to stay in the fridge?
30 minutes, that's it.
Yep. That's it. Oh, what do we have for shapes to cut?
We have a star. I want to do the Christmas tree. A Lego just and that man missing a leg.
Right. I need a pan. What's the matter?
I just got on my pinky toe. Come on, I want to start.
Please, I've asked you.
I want this guy. Every Thursday.
For cutting into cookie shapes. So what do we got to do for the cut out shapes?
You got to put them in the fridge.
Put them in the fridge. While we wait, Raiden. So what temperature do we need to set the oven to?
350 Fahrenheit.
Okay. So the timer, 30 minutes is up. The oven is hot. What do we need to do?
Get the cookies.
Go get them. Hang on.
I'm scared. I'm actually very scared.
You're scared?
Yes. I put my hand on
All right.
baby.
Cookies are in. We'll bake till they're nice and golden.
Yeah.
So the cookie's been baking for about 15 minutes. All right, they do look ready. Let's close the gate. And the cookies are ready. We're just waiting on Eamon before we eat some cookies.
I'm gonna have this one. I think it's the only one I need. I have that one.
Okay.
Oh, I did make this one. I know that.
All right.
I know I made this.
How are they, Raiden?
I love them.
Eamon?
Yeah.
Donovan?
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
I not say I love them. I said I like them a lot.
Oh.
I love them.
Dono, how are the cookies?
So yummy.
All right.
I want to have